Hi, this is Funvestor. Today we will briefly cover about different types of assets and especially look into real assets. So let's get started. Assets can be categorized into three types: intangible, financial, and real assets. Intangible assets are the ones that are not physically present in nature, like patents, copyrights, brand recognition, positive brand identity, trademarks, and intellectual property, etc. Financial assets derive value from ownership claims or rights obtained from entering into some kind of contract. Examples being stocks, bonds, mutual funds, bank deposits, and cash, etc. Then comes the real assets, which exists physically and have an intrinsic value of its own, like real estate, land, machinery, commodities, metals, and natural resources, etc. Let's understand the very basics of real assets. These assets are generally held by institutional investors or bigger investors. Take a real asset, say a machinery in some textile plant, as an example. It will be very specific to a certain industry, which is textile industry in our case, having very high cost, and thus not many investors can buy them. This makes real assets less liquid and require higher due diligence or study before investment. Rather than buying real assets directly, the investors prefer to buy them indirectly through an investment vehicle such as real estate investment trust or Master Limited Partnership or MLP. These investment vehicles buy real assets and the investor owns a certain portion of these investment vehicles in their portfolio, thus indirectly holding a real asset. Another indirect method to hold real asset could be to invest in stocks of asset heavy companies. Example, companies that hold large stakes in real estate. I hope you got the point. This was the basics of real assets. Now let's quickly summarize. There are three types of assets: intangible, financial, and real asset. Real assets actually exist in physical form, are traded by bigger investors, and are illiquid. They are also traded indirectly using different investment vehicles. That's it for today. Please smash the like button, subscribe to Funvestor, and turn on the bell notification so that you know when we upload a new video. Till then, thank you. This is Funvestor and see you next time.